Riana, Afasha, Kian, and Gal.
Today, we are at Sukabumi Pegadaian Museum. Pegadaian Museum located on Jalan Pelabuhan 1, Tipe Citamiang, Sukabumi. Besides spending our holiday, we want to learn about the history of pawning during the colonial era. And we'd love to share our journey with all of you.
The Pegadaian Museum is one of the educational tourism destination that is not widely known by many people. But this museum stores a lot of history. As students studying in Sukabumi, we want to find out what can be found inside the Pegadaian Museum.
In the front area, there are many wall magazines and photo documentation of the pawn shop from the old days. The museum still maintains its original Dutch colonial architecture, looking exactly as it did when it was first built.
Sweet Marie, your beauty shines. You are the wonder in my
Upon entering, we are immediately greeted by a welcome message on a screen featuring two representatives from various regions across Indonesia.
In the first section, there are photos of Pegadaian from each period, starting from the first period until the present. There is also a Wales magazine that explains general facts, such as Pegadaian ancient since the VOC era, when Pegadaian become the first Dutch pawn center in Sukabumi, and during the Japanese occupation.
Photo documentation from that is era into preserve, so we can find out what happened of it at the time. It's really cool that we can see what condition we like in that era.
Second room. Here there is also a law magazine and about regarding golden purity and 3 golden balls.
All the historical items that were used for pawn transaction in the past are still well preserved and neatly arranged. They are even accompanied by explanations and description of the functions of each item.
sweet Marie, your beauty shines. You are the wonder in my eyes. I just wanna be the man, so choose me.
In the third room, we can see many historical items that are still neatly stored and well maintained. For example, there are gold scales, old calculation tools, equipment used by cashier, gamelan instruments, and others.
This room is also equipped with a touchscreen monitor, so visitors can take photos of themselves or with friends as a souvenir.
In the fourth room, there is plenty of photo documentation showing Pawn Office during the colonial era, old highways, a colonial map of Sukabumi, and photo of the Sukabumi mayors from that time.
Sweet Marie, your beauty shines. You are the wonder in my eyes. I just wanna be the man. So
This room also still keeps the safe that were used in the past, and they are preserved in very good condition. There is also interactive digital map of Pegadaian The Golden Journey, which we can touch, and it will display light and various colors from a projector.
sweet Marie, your beauty shines.
There is also an interactive touchscreen that provides detailed information about tourist destination, local food, and the culture of Sukabumi. Here we can touch what we want to learn from visitor aspect. It's very detailed and fun to see.
In the backyard area, there are several antique bicycle and motorcycle from the Dutch colonial era. These items were actually product of pawn transaction of that period.
And there is a photo spot with various background using mural art. We can take many photos with a variety of unique background.
Be the man. So choose.
There is also a playground in the back, so if you bring younger sibling or children, they can have fun there too.
Alright, that's our touring for today. We're Group 1. See you. Bye bye.